Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel Alejandro. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong February 5. And for today, we are going to tackle the question of ano ang kahulugan ng ipinanganak sa Espiritu or born in the Spirit. Makikita at maiintindihan po natin ito gamit ang ating basehan na Bible verse from John chapter 3 verse 8 na nagsasabing, "The wind blows wherever it pleases. You hear its sound, but you cannot tell where it comes from or where it is going. So it is with everyone born of the Spirit." Sa Tagalog, humihihip ang hangin kung saan ito ibig at naririnig mo ang ugong nito, ngunit hindi mo nalalaman kung saan ito nanggaling at kung saan tutungo. Ganoon ang bawat isang ipinapanganak ng Espiritu. So, the Spirit guides us. We don't understand how the Spirit guides us, but we know and feel that the Spirit leads us into this regeneration. Because regeneration saves us when we were dead. Ito ang siyang nagpapaligtas sa atin for us to receive salvation. And regeneration is also the impartation of the life of Christ. Kumbaga sa regeneration na ibinabahagi sa atin ng Espiritu Santo, we are being blessed towards the opportunity of being Christ-like. And regeneration is purely God's work. Yung betterment of the soul, betterment of the person, betterment of the spirit, yung muling pag-rejuvenate mo or pagkakaroon mo ng righteousness is all because of the work of God. Walang iba. Hindi ito maapektuhan ng outside factors, hindi ito matutulungan or mapapaspeed up ng mga tao sa paligid natin. Only God alone can do that. So die to self daily and internalize the life of Christ within you. Dahil kapag ini-internalize mo yung buhay ng Panginoon, you will be delighted and you will give glory to our God. So start to speak and act like Jesus. In doing so, you are constantly being born into the Spirit, constantly being regenerated to be saved. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.